It's being described by opponents as the most important decision on New Zealand abortion law in decades. Justice Miller's decision has been released following a judicial review of the Abortion Supervisory Committee, who are appointed by the government to keep under review all the provisions of the abortion law in New Zealand and the operation of those performing abortions. Right to Life questioned the way in which the mental health grounds were used to justify the 98.9% of abortions carried out. That's around 17,000 in 2006. In his decision, Justice Miller says there may be inconsistencies in the way abortion consultants are using mental health as grounds for an abortion, and said there is reason to doubt the lawfulness of many abortions authorised by consultants. He also says the Abortion Supervisory Committee realises consultants are taking a more liberal approach than intended. The decision has been met with mixed reaction. Right to Life, who sought the review, are ecstatic.
We think it's a brilliant, stunning decision. It's an historic judgment, and it's the most important development in abortion laws in New Zealand in the last 30 years.
Justice Miller also says that Parliament does not appear to be troubled by the state of the abortion law, as occasional calls for reform by the Supervisory Committee have gone unheeded.
I expect that the government will be reluctant to amend the Contraception, Sterilisation and Abortion Act to address the issue of the rights of unborn children, which the judge has pointed out. It was quite clear that it was the intention of Parliament in 1977 in passing the CSNA Act to provide effective legal protection for unborn children and for the health and welfare of women. That hasn't happened.
Independent MP Gordon Copeland and his colleague Kiwi Party leader Larry Baldock have welcomed the decision and are now expecting Parliament to act.
We should see now Parliament move very quickly to replace the current Abortion Supervisory Committee, because they clearly haven't been doing their job. If the supervisors are not doing their job, then of course the certifying consultants are getting away with very poor decisions.
The Abortion Supervisory Committee made a brief statement today and said the committee has received a copy of the High Court judgment and is considering its implications. The litigation process is not yet complete and the committee has no further comment to make at this time. Family Planning New Zealand failed to comment today but say they will make a statement in the next few days. Internationally, 42 million abortions are performed every year, mostly in developing countries. Scott Kelso, N Zone Tonight.